Well, hello there, strangers. Good to see all your smiling faces again. I know it's been a minute, eh? Pardon the noise. Yeah, I'm at another truck stop. Go figure, eh? So, here we go again. Truck living. Yeah, Flying J yet again. Alright, so welcome back to another video. As you can see, a little bundled up here, and I'm in the truck. Been busy. I've been to Saskatchewan, been to Ontario. Where else was I? Calgary, and then Airdrie. Currently in Calgary, so I've been all over the map, and yeah, it is. It's chilly. So, as you can see in the back there, in addition to the sleeping bag, which is rated to -12, and we're pushing -11 with the wind chill. It's not too bad in the truck right now, but yeah, I got the duvet just in case, and yeah, I think I'll be all right. The only challenge I'm finding with the colder weather is making breakfast and lunch, because I gotta do it exposed in the elements. So what I try and do for making my lunch after work is I find like a loading bay or somewhere to go, and then I have a little bit of shelter, so that helps. But heading back there in the morning, well, that's a pretty brisk, almost rude way to wake up. So anyways, yeah, that's what I've been up to. Some of you might be wondering, why on earth is he doing this again, and why in the winter? Well, technically still fall, feels like winter. Long story short, the job that I'm on here in Calgary, it's not paying sub, so therefore if I were to go and get a hotel room or rent a room from somewhere, I'm completely out of pocket. Whereas in the summer, it was just enjoyable. Like, it was nice. It was almost like camping, so I didn't mind it at all. This time around, it's definitely more challenging, that's for sure, but I'm here to make money, not spend money, so that's why I'm doing this. And you know, I still, honestly, I don't mind it. It's more of a challenge, that's all. And I enjoy challenge. So yeah. Anyhow, I know, and I want to apologize again. I know it's been quite a while since the last video, so I really want to thank those of you who have stuck around. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. And I'm going to get back into doing this on a more regular basis. So if you like the video, don't be afraid to hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. That definitely that helps my content get into the algorithm. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and I'll see you guys again real soon. Till then. keep on keeping on.
Oh, I forgot. I want to know what you guys think about this. If you have any suggestions of how to make this a little bit easier, or if you think I'm just plain crazy, which maybe don't. No, I don't care. But comments below. Let me know what you guys think of all this. I'd be really interested to see what you guys think and have to say. See you again.